Lawyers sues MP Salasya over alleged assault. Salasya, the mischievous bull. Mr. Salasya accused Mr. Barasa of not doing enough to revive Mumia's sugar company. Youths from both sides joined in and a fist fight ensued, with Mr. Salasya's bodyguard firing in the air to disperse the crowd before the police restored him. The MP accused the government of having flawed system that denied the youth employment opportunities. He also accused Mr. Barasa of associating bad people who are blocking people from his constituency from accessing him. On Mumia's Sugar Company, I want to tell you, the governor, that you said that a new investor in Mumia's should remit shillings 100 million to the county. But I want to remind you that the factory is closed. Where is the investor going to get the money immediately to start the meeting? He said. Leaders who attended the fund drive for the church condemned the incident. Mr. Salasya took issue with the Petroleum and Regulatory Authority, which he claimed it was the cause of the inflated fuel price in the county. Mr. Barasa, we love you and we want you to perform better for this country so that you get re-elected in 2027. But the people from around you are blocking us from accessing you, he told the governor. He asked Mr. Barasa to sit with all the governors so that the issues of the electorate are addressed. On the other hand, Governor Barasa called on the office of the National Assembly to disarm security officers assigned to Mr. Sia, claiming that they are a threat to the security. They had no business of removing firearms to shoot in the air. That's what the governor said. Barasa said, we want to come together, speak together, and also work together for a common goal.